Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be installing my valve cover on my SR. So let's open this fucker up.
Oh. Look at this, dude. It like bowls up the floor.
Whoa, careful, man.
Jesus, dude, every time.
Oh, damn it. Look at that. It's not my valve cover, obviously, but damn. Damn. That's sick. Oh. Okay, so valve cover right there. Got some Scotch-Brite, and we're going to clean up all these little grooves.
Is yours or mine?
I don't know. And then we're going to put the new one on. So let's have a little time lapse. Okay, so while Brandon does that, I'm gonna put this new ISR Performance valve cover gasket I got in. That's the old one I took out. I just laid it there so I get the right orientation. And anyway, I'm gonna start doing this. Okay, all these are in.
Oh, copyright,
So,
copyright.
gonna throw a little RTV on here, and then she'll be ready to go. Brandon, how's it going?
Good.
Almost done. He's getting a bunch of fibers in the motor. That way it doesn't run properly. But we'll be good, so. Whoa, no. You're the RTV guy here.
I don't know how much to do, so.
We don't have the little thing to fucking make a little stream, so. Oh, shit. Really putting it on there. It's a big moment in my life. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Okay, we haven't torqued it down yet, but looks literally insane. This piece isn't on yet. Just got this at OEM Life, and it looks fucking sick. Damn. Holy shit. Back at the shop, had to get some sockets for that crank pulley bolt, and Brandon's pulling his speed in. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Badass. Badass. Look at this kid smile.
That was so rough.
Dude, you're killing it. Okay, so I ended up getting my impact, and I was able to get the main bolt out. Now I got my crank pulley puller, and I'm about to put that on, pull this off, and then put the new one on. Okay, now that that's all off, I'm going to clean this up because it's pretty dirty, and then I'll install the new one. All cleaned up, looks hella good, way better than before. Okay, it's gonna be hard to tell because I can't really get to focus, but right in here is a little bit of powder coat, so I'm gonna shave that down. Just the powder coat, not the metal, obviously, so that this can fit on it, because there's a little bit just excess sitting in there, so I'm gonna do that. And then throw her on again. Got the crank on. Well, not officially on, just set on there pretty much so that I can look at it, because I had to order a new Woodruff key because this one, if you can tell. Anyway, this Woodruff key actually has a little dent on it and dent on that, so I don't know if that happened when someone was trying to install the old crank or something, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and order a brand new one of those, and then I can officially put this all back together. So I don't know if this is gonna go in this weekend because it all depends on when that key comes, because I'm not trying to do that when it's in the car. But anyway, that's that. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but if that's the end of it, thanks for watching and ka-chow.